So if you have a BMW that maybe it has turn signal that's not working, maybe high beam, low beam, any light that's not working, after you check everything, check the fuses, check the light bulbs, well, you might be left stuck not knowing what to check next. So we're going to use the YOUCANIC scanner that to activate some of those lights. So these can be helpful because sometimes you might have a bad, for example, switch, but if we can turn on the light from the scan tool, then but not from the switch, we know we have a bad switch, for example. So we're gonna just take the example of the hazard lights right here. So if we can't press it but the hazard lights don't come on, okay, then it could be the hazard light relay and a number of other things, but it could be that switch itself. So how do we check it? Let me show you. So we're going to use the YOUCANIC scanner. You go to diagnostics from the home screen, select BMW and then your model, and then you come here and then select control modules here, drive, body, domain controller, and then go to active tests and then exterior lighting. Now you can test interior lights as well, but we're going to do exterior lighting, and then here you can see you can really test anything, turn anything on from the scanner, hazard lights, turn signals, high beam, low beam, brake lights, anything you can turn on. So let's say hazard light flushers are, so let's say the button is not working, but when we come here and we say activate, look at that, it's working. So that's gonna run for a few seconds there and then turn off. Okay, so that's how you can test the different lights with a YOUCANIC scanner. You can do any of those lights, turn, let's say, low beams, you can turn them directly from the scan tool. The same thing with the interior lights, interior lighting, and so on. So you can turn on the ground lights, locator lights, rear footwell lights, and so on. So yep, that's it. It can be helpful if you've tested, checked everything, and you cannot find the issue. Testing the lights with the scanner can also be helpful. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.